Welcome to the ultimate beginner's guide to Git and GitHub. In this video, we're going to take you from absolute zero to understanding the most powerful tools in a developer's arsenal. No complicated jargon, just the essentials to save your sanity and level up your coding game. Let's get started. Let's begin by running a clean Ubuntu pod. We'll use this environment as our sandbox to install Git and work through all the examples in this tutorial. We'll begin by updating the system's package index using the apt-update command. And now we're installing Git right inside our Ubuntu pod. Verify the installation with a quick version check. Then, set up a directory for your Git repository. Running git status returns nothing right now. That's because we haven't initialized this directory. Let's do that with the git init command. With our repository initialized, let's create some files and add them to the staging area. From our 10 files, let's stage just 3 to see how selective staging works. We've staged our files, so now let's commit them and record the changes. Git won't let us commit without identifying ourselves, so let's set our username and email address now. With our commits ready locally, let's create a GitHub repository and push our work to the cloud. If we try to push now, GitHub won't recognize us. Let's fix that by setting up SSH keys first. Now that GitHub recognizes our system via SSH, we can push our files to the repository. Hope you found this tutorial valuable. Subscribe to stay updated with future videos.